In this video, I will show 13 ways for how to speed up uTorrent download on PC. To choose the source with more seeders will improve the download speed of the target files. Yet, more seeders mean higher risks. You should make your own judgment and choose a reliable source with comparatively more seeders. Only one task can improve the downloading speed. Similarly, operating only a few processes will save much bandwidth. Therefore, close as many processes as you can on your computer while you are torrenting will help to speed up uTorrent downloads PC, especially the processes that are not needed currently. You can do this in Task Manager. Of signals within the Wi-Fi area will influence the connection of Wi-Fi. Thus, it will interfere with the internet speed and the speed of uTorrent downloads. Therefore, you are recommended to connect your computer directly to the modem or router instead of using Wi-Fi. Trackers will lead to a superb speed if the tracker has more seeds. Anyhow, you can try to find out whether this method can help in your situation or not. Right-click on Target Download and select Properties greater than Trackers. Then, paste the trackers you find elsewhere. I will add some trackers link in my video description. experiencing bad downloading speed while torrenting, You may consider subscribing to a higher internet speed plan of your current internet provider. Or, you may even switch your internet service to another company to get better bandwidth. This will probably cost you more money. Yet, if you think it worth to do so, just do it. Okay, those are all the tricks I'd like to share with you to speed up uTorrent, not only for downloading but also for uploading. Hope you can enjoy them. If you want to stay updated with technology, if you are interested in PC tricks, PC problem solutions, software reviews, Windows-related problems, then please you can subscribe to our channel.